As AI evolves toward real-time reasoning, every part of the system is stressed all at once, from compute, memory, networking, storage, and even software. This new generation of AI requires extreme co-design, engineering the entire stack as a single system, in fact, across the entire data center. This shift is especially clear for state-of-the-art mixture of expert models like DeepSeek R1, Kimi K2 Thinking, and GPT-OSS.
Reasoning MOE models generate a ton of tokens, creating higher quality answers for users and different services. But fundamentally, that means that the cost per token is a more important aspect of how we develop and talk about and measure AI inference performance. MOE models address this partially by only activating portions of the model at a time, but that also means there's a hidden cost of communication. No longer is the performance and economics just about compute. It's about compute and networking and software and routing. When we look at how tokenomics plays into measuring the true ROI of these systems, it's clear that system design is a more important factor than just looking at flops per dollar. Newer, more expensive platforms can oftentimes offer better ROI and value because of their higher performance. For example, in our recent analysis, we looked at the GB200 NVL72, and it offered up to 20x the performance of the H200 previous generation. Despite costing 67% more, that results in a 1/12 cost per token for the new GB200 systems. This is why it's critical to evaluate these systems in as close to real-world environments as possible.
Blackwell was built for the new era. For the first time, we've extended extreme co-design to the full rack scale. 72 GPUs unified by NVLink switch chips, leveraging NVFP4, Dynamo, and TensorRT LLM, delivering breakthrough training and inference performance. And Rubin takes this even further. 6 new chips, 1 AI supercomputer. The Vera CPU, the Rubin GPU, the NVLink 6, the Spectrum 6 Ethernet, Quantum InfiniBand, and BlueField 4. And this is all optimized using continuously advancing software stacks co-designed with our partners to power the next generation of AI reasoning at scale.
Azure has been able to move very quickly to meet the performance and speed of modern AI. Because we co-designed the system with NVIDIA, optimized from silicon to rack to network. From a scale perspective, our fair-order AI data centers were built exactly for a moment like this. They support dense GPU racks, intelligent network routing, advanced cooling, and an AI-optimized wide area network that keeps every accelerator productive. Rubin is the next chapter in that journey. With larger memory capacity, faster interconnects, higher level rack performance, it allows customers to run larger models while keeping the responsiveness high.
Blackwell and Rubin are designed to deliver the lowest cost per token, and that is only made possible by designing and optimizing the entire stack from end to end.
When we look at cost per token, it's constrained by a few things. How much power is your GPU using? How many GPUs do you need to serve your inference request? What's your latency between GPUs for all-to-all communication? How big is the model? In a market that changes every 3 months, CoreWeave has to make sure that we stay incredibly close to our customers to understand what they need and what they need to be successful. We then take that feedback back to NVIDIA, and we work so closely with them to understand what are the products you have today? How are they going to best support our customers? What are the products you have tomorrow? How do we build our platform from the ground up? Going from the LAN, the power, to the shell, to how that power is distributed, to the cooling, to how we orchestrate that hardware in the data center, to how our customers interface with that infrastructure, to the software systems that support them, to the humans that support them. It's extreme co-design, and it's the only way we can be successful as things change so rapidly.
The takeaway is clear: end-to-end system design is the most important lever we have to develop and deploy reasoning AI at scale.